Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and securing a quick backup of the existing image so you can revert if needed. Next, open the KB editor and find the exact article ID or entry where the image is stored. Note the image file name or attachment path. Meanwhile, prepare your replacement file, JPEG or PNG under 2 MB, correct dimensions for the template. Once those pieces are in place, you're ready to edit the article and swap files without interrupting users. You now enter the article edit mode and select the image block or the HTML tag that references the current asset. Replace the file by uploading the new image or swapping the URL, and make sure to preserve or update the alt text and accessible title for clarity and SEO. Once swapped, use the editor preview and a quick mobile check to confirm responsive scaling and alignment. This prevents layout shifts. When satisfied, save as a draft, first if your workflow supports staging. Finally, publish the updated KB article or promote the draft to live, ideally during low-traffic hours to reduce impact. After publishing, purge or invalidate the CDN cache if one is used, then verify the change in an incognito window and across several browsers and devices to ensure propagation. If the old image still appears, clear your local cache and cookies, then confirm the replacement file has correct read permissions on the server. If problems persist, roll back to the backup and investigate cache headers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.